this video, we're going to be taking off from London's Heathrow Airport, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenic views as we take off on board one of British Airways 12 Airbus A380s.
Should be placed
so much for watching until the end of the video. Please remember to give the video a like, and if you enjoy the content, please subscribe so that you don't miss the next one.